Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a nighttime makeup tutorial for you guys using the tartebusygalgoals palette. So I recently did a tutorial using this palette as well as a full review on my channel where I did a daytime look. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll have it linked down below. So like I said in that video, I give you guys my honest thoughts on the palette. So I'm not going to do that here today since I already did that in a previous video. So in that video, I mentioned that if you guys wanted me to do like a nighttime makeup tutorial with that palette, then to just request it and I will do it. And I actually had someone come in and ask me to do that. So that's exactly what I'm doing today. So this is the look that I created. So if you guys are interested in seeing how to get this makeup look, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright guys, so I already went ahead and put on some foundation. I also primed my lids and I went ahead and did my brows. Now I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the palette, and I'm going to be grabbing the shade Role Model, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to be grabbing my Morphe M441 brush to go ahead and apply this. So just using my brush, I'm going to go ahead and apply this onto the crease. So I want to do like a cut crease look, so I'm going to go ahead and with some concealer, and I'm grabbing the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer as well as my Morphe M410 brush, which is going to help me cut the crease. So what I like to do is I just put some concealer on my hand and I'll just go in with the brush and work my way onto my crease. So I'm pretty much only doing about that much. I'm not going to go fully to the ends of my eyes, so I'm going to quickly go do the other eye off camera and then we will continue. So now that I'm done with the concealer, I'm going to go ahead in with the shade Overtime, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this to the inner third of my eyes. So now I'm going to go ahead in with the shade Grammet, which is this shade right here. And I'm using another Morphe M124 brush, but I'm using a separate one that is clean for this color. And I'm applying this onto this area right here. Not completely onto the outer corner, but just in that center area. So I'm actually going to go in with some setting spray and I'm going to spray the brush. And this still has the purple shade called Grammet, and I'm going to see if I can make the color a little more intense. And now I'm just going back in with the shade that I used to apply Overtime, and I'm just going to blend the edges to make sure they're nice and blended. Okay, so now I'm grabbing the brush Morphe M433. It's a blending brush, and I'm gonna go ahead in with this shade Hustle, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to apply this onto the outer corners of my eyes. And I'm only concentrating this on the outer corner. I'm not necessarily pulling it out. I want to use a different color to do that. So this is simply just concentrating it on this portion of the eye to really add some nice dimension to the look. So I'm going back in with the M44 brush that I used to apply Role Model, which was the Crease shade, and I'm really going to smoke that color out. And it's okay if it's not perfect because you can go ahead and clean it up with concealer, which is what I'm going to do. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the color and I'm applying it upwards like this, and then from the crease downwards to really create that outer V shape. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to go back in with the M433 Morphe brush, and I'm going to grab the shade that we applied in the outer corner, which is Hustle, the darkest shade. And I'm going to go back in and really concentrate that onto the outer corners to add some more dimension. So I'm just gonna go ahead in and clean up the fallout. So rule of thumb, always do your eyeshadow before you do your base. I just did my base prior to filming just to make this video not as long and that we could just focus on the eyeshadow palette. So it's okay that it's a little bit dark. We're gonna fix it with concealer. So I'm gonna go ahead in with the Tarte Creaseless Concealer in 32N. And I'm going to apply this under my eyes. And then I'm also going to go ahead in with my Tarte Shape Tape and apply this to other areas of my face that I want to conceal. I don't go ahead in with the other concealer because of course it's a hydrating concealer and I don't want the hydration on other parts of my face because I do have oily skin. So I'm just going to apply this on the forehead, down the nose, and I'm also going to apply some on the sides, and I'm going to just take my nose ring off. And then I'm going to apply some on the chin. So I'm going to quickly go ahead in and blend all this out. And I'll just show you guys how I clean up the edges of the eyeshadow with my concealer. So I just go ahead in and sharpen out the edge. Just like that, and of course it'll get more sharper with the setting powder. And I'm gonna go ahead in and set everything in place with the KKW Beauty setting powder in 03. And you can see again cleaning up the edges with the setting powder. Alright, so it's been a couple of minutes. I'm all done baking, so I'm gonna go ahead in and wipe away the powder. Alright, so I want to finish up with the eyes. I'm going ahead in with the Morphe E37 brush. This is what it looks like. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead in with the purple shade Grammet, which is the color we applied right here. And I'm going to smoke that onto my lower lash line. So just to intensify the lower lash line a bit more, I'm going to go ahead in with the shade Hustle, which is the shade we applied on the outer corner. And I'm just going to concentrate this on the outer half of the lower lash line. And now I'm just going back in and making sure that the inner corner has a nice bright purple. So now I'm going to go ahead in and do my eyeliner. I'm grabbing the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, and I'm just going to go ahead in and do a nice wing. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go off camera and finish up with the eyes. I'm going to go ahead in with some falsies as well as some mascara. So for falsies, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Farah number 12 Luxe Faux Mink Lashes. This is what they look like. And I'm going to go ahead in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Alright you guys, so I'm all done with the eyes. Now I'm going to wrap up my makeup. So before I go ahead in with the blush and the highlight from the Tarte palette, I'm going to go ahead in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I'm just going to go in with a clean brush and blend this out. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead in with the blush and the highlight from the palette. So this is what they look like. And of course, what I like to do is pull the blush up just to elongate the face. I'm going to go in with the highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up with my lips. I'm just going to line them with the e.l.f. and Nabela Noor lip liner in Maira Nude. And for lips, I'm going to be going ahead in with the shade Honey by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a very nice nude color. This is what it looks like. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And of course, all the products that I used today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. And if you have any suggestions on videos you would like me to do, make sure to comment down below and let me know. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. It really means so much to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.